U.S. air defense system is not a single system. It's a layered network of sensors, missiles, aircraft, and command and control designed to detect, track, and destroy threats ranging from aircraft to ballistic and hypersonic missiles. Here's a clear breakdown from short-range to strategic defense. 1. Detection and command, the backbone. Radar systems AN/TPY2, AN/FPS-132, Aegis SPY-1/SPY-6 satellites, SBIRS, space-based infrared system for missile launch detection command networks. NORAD, NORTHCOM, C2BMC, command and control, battle management, and communications. These systems fuse data and decide what to shoot, when, and with what. 2. Short-range air defense, SHORAD, defends against drones, helicopters, cruise missiles, and low-flying aircraft. Avenger, Stinger missiles on Humvee, M-SHORAD, Stryker vehicle with missiles, cannon, and electronic warfare. Stinger manpads, shoulder-fired missile CRAM/Phalanx, rapid fire gun for rockets, artillery, mortars 3. Medium-range air defense defends against aircraft and cruise missiles. NASAMS uses AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles, highly mobile. Networked also used to protect Washington, D.C. Patriot, PAC-2/PAC-3, aircraft, cruise missiles, and tactical ballistic missiles. PAC-3 is optimized for missile interception, hit to kill. 4. High-altitude/theater missile defense defends against short and medium-range ballistic missiles. THAAD, terminal high-altitude area defense, intercepts missiles in or just outside the atmosphere. Hit-to-kill technology mobile and deployed globally. 5. Sea-based air and missile defense operated by the U.S. Navy. Aegis Combat System, destroyers and cruisers, SM-2/SM-6. Aircraft and cruise missiles, SM-3. Ballistic missile defense, exo-atmospheric, SM-6. Can engage aircraft, missiles, and even hypersonic threats,